Hello guys, I'm gonna show you something right now. There is this PC here which is here. It is being brought in front of me by one of my clients. He says that the PC, when you restart the PC, does not boot the operating system. What it does, it is that it only powers on the operating system and stops from there. So we're gonna show you the steps on how to overcome this. And in case if you have a client, maybe you have another person, it's a personal PC, it's going to such a problem, the only thing you're going to do is you're just going to power on the PC. As you can see, the PC is restarting. So when it restarts, it blacks out, it goes back to start itself again. So we're going to see the way how we can fix this problem. And the only way that is associated with this problem, one, there may be an issue with the hard disk. Maybe the hard disk is not mounted on well. Two, their folder 32, system 32 folder may be corrupted. So the only thing here we're supposed to do is that we're supposed to run a new operating system on this very machine. So thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, like, share for more videos on how to troubleshoot simple problems in IT. Let me show you what you're going to do here. So what I'm going to do is I already made my USB flash drive, which is here. It's already made, and there's an operating system which is there. I made an operating system for Windows 10 using my Rufus, and these were the settings. So it was already made there. So the only thing is, this is my flash drive. I'm going to put it in one of my USB ports around here. I'm going to plug it there. I'm going to plug it here. So it is already plugged there. So as you can see, we are going to enter the boot menu of this very machine. When you look at this very laptop, it gives you the boot menu that press F12, press F2 to enter the boot configurations. But as you can see, you're going to press F12 on the keyboard. You're going to locate it. F12 is here. So when I press F12 like this, I'm choosing the boot options. And here, when you look at it, we have our boot menu which is there. We have USB storage. We have CD, stroke. We have CD, DVD, OCD, writable drive. And then we have removable drive devices, network, diagnostics. So the only thing is we're going to use our cursor buttons. We drive up to storage devices. So from there, we are able to press the enter key. So when you press the enter key, it's going to tell us that press any key to boot from the hard disk from your USB. So we didn't press any key, we are late. So we press again F12, the same steps. We go again, select the USB storage, and then we press enter. So when you press enter, you press any key from the keyboard where you're saying press any key. So from there, it's going to give us those settings. Then there, we choose, we press the enter button because we want a Windows 10 setup on this machine. Now, the question is, why did I choose Windows 7 setup? I chose Windows 7 setup because but it is relative that I want first try it out before I put another operating system. First of all, this PC it can run, because it is i7, as you can see, it is i5. It is i5, as you can see. It can be able to run some other operating systems. By the time I can press my enter key. So when I press my enter key, my Windows is loading my window files.
I have a problem. I have looked in my phone with the password.
10,000. So, hi guys, we are already there. Sit for just 5 minutes. I come. So hi guys, we are already there. So our Windows 7, it has just loaded, and the only thing we're going to do here is to get our Windows 7 on this very PC. We press next. So here there comes a very big challenge. Now there are times such an instance happens where you have your PC where it is rebooting. Now assuming you have your other softwares or other data that is on the PC, you don't need to come directly to install. You just come directly to repair your PC. When you go to repair your PC, they'll give you all those things. What you're going to do, you'll make it first finalize that thing. Press OK. Maybe what you can do, you can just cancel. You can cancel. So you can choose this one here. You can say next. What you can do, let me try to go back. You can come to repair. When you choose repair, just click OK. Click OK until that thing, because it is saying that Windows is corrupted, as I've told you earlier on. Then you come to load drivers. You press OK. So in load drivers, here it is going to take you to somewhere, to the computer. Now the computer, you come to computer. Now here it means you have your where the operating system was sitting. This is D. It has a capacity of 451, which means there was around 500. Now what you're going to do here is that you'll get your data which was here. You can come and back up your files from user